I got a song down in my heart, and a groove up in my head. If only I had the voice to match, I'd sing it like Daddy said. In the choir on Sunday morning, clapping loud on 2 and 4. These words I feel coming through my chest, they calling me to explore. So I found a tool,
something new.
God let me use.
Sing His truth.
Now I'm told I